Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tiffany. I'm a Washington realtor with a love for interior design and interior decorating, especially when I can do so on a budget. Today, I'm going to take you along with me to the Goodwill outlet, or sometimes it's referred to as the Goodwill bins. Today, we're going to be searching for home decor items as well as furniture. In the end, I'll be sharing with you everything that I bought, and I will share with you exactly how much I spent on it. I hope you guys enjoy. And here we are at the Goodwill outlet. So today I started over here in the furniture section. The way ours is set up, it's kind of like a separate store. Over here, things are priced individually. They have stickers on them. If I was in the market for another project, I would have been glad to take on this lamp, but right now I have a backlog of projects, so I decided to pass on this one. These brown stools, there were 3 of them, and they had a very good value compared to the price, so I decided to snag them. This rug here was very nice and very large, but it did have a stain on it, so always be sure to check before you buy. At this point, I have left the furniture section and I am over where the bins are, where you dig through and you pay by the pound. I will say that some days I find a lot of great stuff and some days not so much. You just never know. I didn't have a use for this, but if I were going to buy it, I would just cut that name off and remove it. I often find floral arrangements, and sometimes I'm just interested in a few things out of it. And that's the beauty of shopping at the Goodwill outlet. You can just pull out what you want. I thought this was really cute. I like the texture on it. It did need some filler inside, but I figure I can easily add some moss or some rocks. These, I just don't have a need for them, but if I were to buy these, I would just remove the blue part here, and then I would be left with 2 nice neutral baskets. These, I wish I had a reason to buy them. I was trying to think of some cool DIY project, but nothing was coming to mind. So if you guys have any ideas what I could have done with these, I would love to hear it. Sometimes when I find things, they are tangled up with other items and I have to work to get it. This is my mystery item of the day. I am not sure what this thing is, so if you know, I would love to hear from you in the comments below. I found this in with the toys. I'm not really sure what it actually is, but it looked like it would work well as a tray, and I would encourage you to get creative and look at things and figure out how you can use them. Don't worry so much about what the intended use was. These stools were my first big find of the day. These are currently selling for $160 each. Now, I did not pay anywhere close to that. Hang around to the end to find out what I got them for. If you are not familiar with wood stain pens, I highly recommend them. These did have just a few nicks and dings on them, but these really help take care of that. this little uplight, I was trying to find a price on it and I really could not. Several of these items are not available anymore and I was not able to find prices. So I decided I will only mention those that I am certain of. The price of garland the past couple of years has gone up so much. So throughout the year, when I find nice quality garland, I just go ahead and snag it. I thought this was a cute set and I figure I can just throw them in the dishwasher and they are good to go. I found another shrub of this faux grass and I figured I might as well go ahead and grab it, and then later on if I find something I want to put it in, then I have it on hand. I often pick up these types of containers for organization. They're wonderful for putting in your junk drawer or putting makeup in, and you can't beat the price when you're paying by the pound. So in all honesty, I did not quite know what these were when I bought them. When I got home, I did some research and it looks like they are part of a shower caddy system, but I figure I can wash them up and use them like shelves, hang them on a wall and put kids' books in them, or I could just have them stand on their own and they could hold containers. I am finding that I am so drawn to raw wood pieces and I love this beautiful bowl, and if I were to go into a store and try to buy something like this new, I would pay a lot for it. I know this doesn't exactly fall under decor, but I figured I might as well snag this wrapping paper when I find it. I rarely buy wrapping paper new, and I find some really nice quality stuff. I tend to snag baskets like this when I find them. They are so versatile. You can hang them on a wall, you can prop this up, or you can use it like a tray. So I always grab these when I find them. My second favorite find of the day were these salad plates. I found 10 of them and they are actually from Pottery Barn. They are not currently in stock, but I was able to find an old price on them of $8 per plate. That is everything that I found this trip to the Goodwill outlet. Before I share with you exactly how much I spent, if you enjoy this type of content, if you would hit that like button and subscribe, that will let me know that you guys would like to see more like this. Let's get down to the numbers. So over in the furniture section, I paid $7.99 for each of those stools. So pre-tax, that was $23.97. Over to the bins, I spent $13.71 and then took a little break, loaded up the car, and then found more items for $11.20. So my pre-tax total for the day was $48.88. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I will see you guys next time.